Tesla center console armrest hub dock. Simple and easy installation. Turn on the cigarette butt and insert it into the cigarette lighter inside the car. Features a sliding cover design that is dust-proof and aesthetically pleasing. Push up the cover and blend seamlessly with the car. The Type-C flat retractable charging cable delivers 65W West output independently, supporting PD fast charging. The length of the retractable cord is approximately 90 centimeters. The Apple-style flat retractable charging cable delivers 30W West output power independently. The Type-C and the large USB charging port delivers 15W West output power independently. Supports simultaneous charging of 4 devices. Rhythm microphone. Colorful ambient light. If you prefer not to have the LED ambient lighting distracting you while driving, you can turn it off. For people sharing safe charging in the car, happy family outing.